Bacchus Phoenix Apple Orchard. Phoenix Apple Orchard. Apple Orchard. We're on W already. There's only like 3 things left in the Bacchus Phoenix Apple Orchard. I think our characters will be moving into somewhere else. The Bacchus Phoenix Apple Orchard will accomplish its next transformation. Maybe that's more likely what will happen. Bacchus Phoenix Apple Orchard, Bacchus Phoenix Apple Orchard, Bacchus Phoenix Apple Orchard. Okay, so I've had about 3 beers. This beer I'm having is called Neon Rainbows by a brewery called Omagong, OMG. I wouldn't especially recommend drinking beer if the world were continuing, but it's ending, so whatever, man. This is something I posted on GitHub a long time ago called GitHub is way too formal. Which it is. There isn't even like a cool place people post code. It's not like GitHub is the formal one, and there's also the cool one. It's something has gone terribly wrong, and we need to solve it. So we're going to solve it with evolving processes. Now, no one has actually asked me to post this to GitHub, but I just know they're going to. So I haven't been here for a while because I don't like it. So I asked the robot how to do it. Click the plus icon. All right, I'm going to click the plus icon and make a new repository. Required fields, the repository name. I should use dashes, not should I use, can I use underscores? It's named underscores here. With what wisdom is available. With what wisdom with what wisdom is a family of evolving processes. Evolve procs. Public, that is the point, is to share it with you. Initialize it with a readme. No. Choose a license. I hereby put it into the public domain. I hereby put everything into the public domain. I'm putting everything you did into the public domain right now. That has no legal effect on the things you do. But, you could enter into court how I'm saying right now that my things are in the public domain. And that would probably work. I don't know, man. I'm not a lawyer. Courts are weird. All right. Initialize it with a readme if needed. No, I don't. It's not needed. Thanks. And then we go to here, and this is what all of the, if developers have ever been to you like, why don't you just use Git? All right. Now here's this thing. Git is fine. Git is great. You have to use it from the command line mostly. I mean, you can, there's graphical user interfaces to the Git, but no one has ever used them ever. And if you ask a robot how to use Git, it's going to tell you to git init. Oh, cool. This has my thing where it shows if the changes are in with that means it's been doing that every time. It's checking all the time whether the changes need to be checked in, and they never do because I've never been using Git. That's interesting. So, you say git init, and then and then it is Git, and then I have to add remote. Or wait, what do you say? Add remote origin. That doesn't make sense, does it? Get remote add origin. See, they pretend they put in English words as if that weren't just a total spell. Get remote add origin. This is not the origin. I'm putting it from here. All right, whatever. Never mind. Okay, so we added the origin, and then we add this stuff. There's this stuff here that I did. Now here's the thing. GitHub is only going to allow this process family until it gets cool, until there's any stuff going on there. GitHub does not allow stuff. GitHub allows you to do a report report describing what a thing is and does not allow you to actually do a thing where the thing is cool and interesting and has substance and reality to it. They do not allow things. Okay? And I don't know why I have to say that. And I don't feel like it's going to help for me to say that. If I have to say to you that that Git does not allow you to do things, let's see, what should I say? The evolve initial commit for with what wisdom. This is a commit that I made while recording a YouTube video. I am recording a YouTube video, right? Right? I'm currently recording a YouTube video. Hi. So this is a commit that I made while recording a YouTube video of what's happened so far with what's wisdom, and what's to come. That's cute. Doesn't have what's to come. What to come is just what it doesn't have. In case someone wants to follow along. Okay, sure. So yeah, there's that commit message by me and GitHub Copilot. So GitHub Copilot is nominally by GitHub and is the cutest robot in the world. So I guess I forgive them for everything because their robot's great. So did we do it? We added all this stuff. Is that now the thing is, if the way that evolving processes work is all this stuff is going to change all the time. Anytime you do anything, like anything that happens is going to change all this stuff. And then what do you want? Well, what am I going to check it in every time? And what am I going to say? It's not that modality, you know? Oh, did I? Okay, I didn't push it yet. Okay, I've got to say this. I've got another. So we got a thing here with nothing in it, right? Yeah, nothing. And we have to say more magic stuff. Git push dash u origin master. Git push dash u. I don't know what dash u means. I forget. I've known that in the past, but you can't remember all of that. Git push dash u, especially if they're going to make it dash u and not like a word. And I'm going to remember that. So we say this magic, which at this point, you would, what? Sign in with your browser? Fine. Should I authorize the Git ecosystem? I'm sure this is really secure. Okay, great. All right. Now I have to put in a Git password, I guess. What's my Git password? Is it that? That's not it. Is it this? It's not it. I don't know my Git password. All right, well, see you in a while when I look up my Git password, I guess. I guess I'm gonna look up my Git password and then I'm going to continue to try it, and then I'm gonna have to stitch this together with another video after I figure out my Git password. See you later after, or I'm gonna upload this as part. Or it would be even lazier for me to upload this as part 1. Hi, and then click on part 2 for after I bother to find my Git password.